Remember when you were 9 and couldn't wait to grow another year older or another inch taller? And stay up just a little bit later? The future was more than days on a calendar. It was a place that transformed you, where you could be an Olympic champion or anything else you could dream. Now that you're all grown up, you look to the future determined to grow in new ways.
IDCast is funded by the Ohio's Third Frontier Project. It's a $28 million Wright Center of Innovation, and we're all about sensor technology. The sensor technology we work with is remote sensing technology and Cyberni sensing. Cyberni is the chemical and the biological types of sensing. Remote sensing basically means I want to be able to tell what's happening without touching it. And I do that with just taking pictures. That's the most simple form of it. But I can also do it with infrared cameras for night vision or heat. Or I can do it with radar, where I'm looking at signatures of different things like their infrared, their RF spectrum and reading those things. Or I can do it with things like terahertz, which is just new and coming up. But you can see, you can use that to see things that are plastic underneath clothes, for example. This wouldn't have been possible if not for the Ohio Third Frontier Project. The idea of technology-based economic development is key to what we're doing here. And this has been set up not to develop technology, but to develop technology to create jobs.
At Ohio's Third Frontier, we're making dreams a reality for entrepreneurs, growing our state's historical strengths and transforming Ohio's inventive past into an innovative future. A place where cutting-edge businesses grow out of brilliant ideas and compete on a global scale. New partnerships between the Ohio Third Frontier, Southwest Ohio's Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, the University of Dayton, and the Dayton Development Coalition are bringing together technology business know-how with a history of cutting-edge military innovation to maximize the state's ability to grow new businesses and compete.
Stand Solutions is an engineering, networking, sensor company. We provide support to the United States military with satellite communications, network communications in Iraq and Afghanistan. When my brother returned from Afghanistan in 2001, he had a problem that occurred with friendly fire with him and a friend of his, Stan Harriman. Stan was on one side of a mountain, Chris was on the other. A airstrike was called in and Stan was killed. When Chris returned from Afghanistan, he asked me if we could assist him in developing a system that would identify United States forces and identify the enemy. The Third Frontier has given us a platform to demonstrate our capabilities. We're able to bring innovations to this collaboration of businesses, academia, and military. And if it gives us a broad base to work our initiatives and to develop concepts, this allows us also to create jobs.
Ohio Third Frontier has generated $6.6 billion in economic activity and generated 48,000 jobs, earning employees $2.4 billion in wages and benefits. Every dollar the state contributes for Ohio Third Frontier earns nearly a $10 return on the investment. Ohio's high-tech employment growth is outpacing all surrounding states.
Everyone knows this part of the state birthed the world's first manned flight. We are transforming our inventive past into an exciting, innovative future. And thanks to Ohio Third Frontier, Dayton and Wright-Pat are bringing to life new technologies that most people think of as futuristic or space-aged. Unmanned vehicles with sensors to collect military intelligence, a virtual reality cave to test our devices, cameras that can see through buildings, and facial recognition software. We are growing these technologies now. They are here and they are for real.
Ohio is a leader in America's most important industries, ranging from biomedical to manufacturing and national defense. Ohio Third Frontier is the incubator that helps our most promising technology businesses and the state grow stronger, faster.